Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best home brewing kit. Here are the top 3 home brewing kits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Northern Brewer Premium Craft Brewery Beer Making Starter Kit. It is a premium craft brewery in a box that provides you with everything needed to make your own beer. You can choose from 6 different brews, including an IPA and Irish Red Ale, or get one of the pre-selected kits. Its kit includes all the ingredients for up to 5 gallons of beer, as well as step-by-step instructions on how to brew it at home. Its brewing process takes about 3 weeks and will produce 4 cases worth of finished product. It includes a recipe kit for 1 gallon of beer, which is enough to make up 6 12-ounce bottles or 4 22-ounce bottles. At number 2. Mr. Beer Complete Beer Making 2-Gallon Starter Kit. This kit includes everything you need to brew the perfect batch of beer. You don't have to be an expert brewer, all you need is some basic instructions and ingredients, as well as a little patience. Its kit contains malt extract, hops, yeast packets, and priming sugar. This starter kit will produce 2 gallons of delicious craft beer in about 3 weeks. It includes brewing kettle, fermenting bucket, bottling bucket, cleaning brush and spoon for stirring, hydrometer and test jar. At number 1. Brewferm Buckrider Belgian Home Brewing Starter Brew Kit. This starter brew kit includes everything you need to start brewing beer at home. It includes 1 by fermenting bucket, 1 by airlock, 1 by stopper and grommet, 2 by beer bottles, 330 milliliters, 2 by bottle caps. This kit is easy to use and contains enough ingredients for a 23-liter batch of beer. Its fermentation bucket has a volume measurement on the side so you can see how much liquid is in it. Its kit also includes a thermometer to measure the temperature of your wort while it ferments. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.